Hi guys! Today I am going to show you what I take every day for my supplements and what I use to balance my hormones now that I have entered the wonderful menopause hormonal shift. Also what I take when I get the cold and flu, and what I take when I get a UTI, and what I use for pain relief. So this is just what works for me, and if you guys want to start taking any of these supplements, please do your own research, talk to your doctor, make your own decision. This is just what's working for my body right now, and maybe some of these products could help you guys out. I am also a vegan, so all of these supplements are vegan. And the first thing that I take is a multivitamin. This is a prenatal vitamin. Obviously, I'm not pregnant, but I take this because it has extra nutrients in it. The prenatal vitamins are also known to help your hair grow, so that is always a plus. This is Rainbow Light Prenatal 1, and I will link all of these products below in the description box. I purchased everything that I'm going to show you today from Amazon, and I will put the direct links where I purchased them below. So the multivitamin is only one a day. And the next thing I take every single day is vitamin C. This is 1,000 milligrams, and I take one in the morning and one at night. That is way overkill, but it's a great antioxidant, and it definitely helps boost up your immune system. Whatever your body's not going to absorb, you just pee it out. So 2,000 milligrams a day of the vitamin C. The next thing I take every day is a B12 supplement. And if you're a vegan like me, this is super important because most of your B12 you are going to get from animal products. I also use this rice protein powder in my smoothies every day. And this is 1,500 milligrams. I take one pill a day. Some of the other benefits of the B12, it helps with red blood cells. It supports bone health. Could help with depression and give you a boost of energy. Next, I take vitamin D3, and this is 5,000 IU. I take one a day of this. Basically getting your dose of sunshine in a bottle. Also, it helps maintain the health of your bones, helps with your immune system, your brain, your nervous system. Helps with insulin levels, diabetes, cardiovascular health, the list goes on and on. Next, I take one a day of this DIM. This helps with menopause. It also helps with estrogen balance for men and women. It helps balance your hormones. It says DIM or DIM supplements may provide support for women for menopause, PCOS, acne, weight loss, and skincare. DIM supplements may also provide support for men as an aromatase inhibitor and estrogen blocker. Aromatase. Sorry if I said that wrong. AROMATASE. So this is my second bottle, and I definitely notice my hot flashes are less frequent. That is the only symptom that I have right now for menopause. Everything else that I've looked up about what menopause is, that's the only symptom I've had. So I'm not sure if it's partly my thyroid that's going on or if it's menopause or both, but the DIM has definitely made my hot flashes so much less. I'm hoping the longer that I use it, the better it's gonna get as my estrogen starts balancing out. Next, I take these two products every single day. So if you guys are dealing with constipation, I definitely recommend this. I started taking these two products after I had my last full abdominal repair with a mesh, and I ended up getting a bowel blockage. Not fun, like it was life-threatening. I had to go back into the hospital, and ever since then, I have had to take stool softener and laxatives every single day. This is an herbal laxative, and it took me a while to find my balance because you don't want to be getting cramps, you don't want to be going when you least expect it. I needed to find the perfect balance for myself where I could just go like a normal person every morning when I wake up. And my balance for me personally is 3 of the Swiss Crisps at night before I go to bed, and I take 1 stool softener. So that is my little cocktail that I take just so I can go to the bathroom like a normal person. If you are super constipated and you just want to kind of flush yourself out, I've taken like 8 of these before when I was like scared that things weren't moving the right way. But ever since I take 3 in 1 every single day, like magic, guys.
But you know who sucks at pooping? You do. That's because when you sit on a porcelain throne, there's muscle that's a kink in the hose and stops the Ben and Jerry's from sliding out smoothly. Is that a problem? I don't know, are hemorrhoids a problem? Because sitting at this angle can cause hemorrhoids, bloating, constipation, and a buttload of other crap. And seriously, unicorn hemorrhoids? The glitter gets everywhere. But what happens when you go from a sit to a squat? Voila, this muscle relaxes and that kink goes away faster than Pegasus Lane's sweet sherbet dookie. Now your colon's open and ready for battle. That's because our bodies were made to poop in a squat, and now there's a product that lets you squat in your own home. Introducing the Squatty Potty. No, Squatty Potty is not a joke. And yes, it will give you the best poop of your life, guaranteed.
The next thing, and thank you guys so much, I just got over a 7-day flu and it was horrible. It was like the worst thing. I don't think I've ever had the flu before. It kicked my butt for 7 days. So when I posted, you guys gave me the idea, these 2 ideas of black elderberry and spirulina. These 2 I've been taking since the day before my flu stopped, and I honestly don't even know if this was a placebo effect, but it was pretty amazing that as soon as I took these, literally the next day, the flu that I had, I couldn't even say I had the flu anymore because I felt so much better. I just had to get my energy back. It's like all of my symptoms were gone in 24 hours. So the spirulina is 1,000 milligrams for each pill, and I take 3 every morning. So that is 3,000 milligrams. So 3 a day of the spirulina, and the black elderberry I take 2 a day. Now to boost my immune system even more, I take echinacea, but you do not want to take this every single day, like on a daily basis. You can take it to boost your immune system because I think it's your liver. It affects your liver if you take too much of this. So I only take this when I feel like I'm getting sick. I'll take 2 pills 3 times a day for like 7 days until I feel better, and then I will stop this. So this is just if I'm not feeling well. I also love this Nature's Right sinus relief, and it kills bacteria, fungus, and virus. And this is amazing. It is, I just bought a brand new one. I haven't even opened it yet because I used the whole entire thing when I had the flu. You just squirt it up your nose, but you don't sniff it in. You just squirt it up there, and you can do it like every 20 minutes all day long. This definitely helps with any kind of sinus relief or if you have a cold. Next, I thought I would just throw this in, even though it's not something that I've used in years. I know this could help you guys so much if you deal with UTIs. I used to suffer with urinary tract infections constantly, and it would drive me nuts. But this little cocktail will get rid of my UTIs with no antibiotics. So when I start feeling that little twinge of getting a UTI, if you guys have ever had one, you know what I'm talking about. I immediately will take the Azo. This is Urinary Pain Relief Maximum Strength, and it turns your urine like bright orange. So I immediately take this, and that would like kill the pain. And then I take the Cranberry DMannose, and I take 2 pills 3 times a day for 7 days. So the last UTI I had, I completely kicked it with no antibiotics. Actually, the last like 3 UTIs I got rid of with just the DMannose. You can also take this as a preventative, taking a lesser dose. So that's it for all the supplements that I take, and I use this little organizer. I will link this below for you guys also. This is supposed to organize your pills for 4 times a day, but I just took these little pieces of duct tape and I wrote Sunday through Saturday and AM and PM. So I get 2 weeks out of this little container. And I also use this to organize the pills that I keep in the refrigerator. This thing is so cool. You can detach it and like bring this with you. Any like amount of, you can just do 1, 2, or all of them. I'll link this below for you guys too. Now, pain relief. I deal with chronic back pain and a lot of orthopedic issues, and I will not take pain pills. So, oh, and I can't take Motrin because I gave myself an ulcer from taking too much Motrin. So these are the things that I use that have been helping me so much. The first thing is magnesium oil. One of my friends, Angela, told me about this. This is like magic, you guys. It doesn't have any smell. You say you have like a sore neck, you just spray it on your neck, rub it in, and it is like magic. Within like 15 minutes, the aching is so much better. It's also, you can use it for a headache the same way. Spray it on your neck, on your temples, on your wrists, anywhere that's hurting on your body. You should see the reviews on this. There are 3,469 reviews right now, and it got almost a 5-star rating. That is amazing. So this is magnesium oil spray. It is a rapid transdermal absorption, can reduce joint pain, headaches, anxiety, and more. It's amazing what everyone is saying, how it's helping them, and it has helped me so much. Transdermal magnesium bypasses the digestive tract, making the nutrient more bioavailable without overdoing it. I love it. Next, I use my MPTENS unit, and it comes with these electrodes. You can see the wires going through there. And all you do is take your little sticky pads, put it wherever your pain is. So if you want to put it on your neck, like that. I'll do 2 of them right now instead of the 4. Then you just stick the other one on the other side. Make sure that you're not placing it on your spine. You want to be in the muscle. And this runs on batteries. So you just turn it on here. You choose whatever part of your body you're using it on. And then you use these little arrows. Oh, that feels so good. It's like a massage. You just keep turning it up. Keep cranking it up. I've got it on 45. Now watch. I am not moving my shoulder. This is completely moving my shoulder on its own because it's right in the muscle. It literally feels like someone is massaging my back. This is a lifesaver for me, you guys. I feel like anyone that deals with back pain or neck pain or anything, 100%. Actually, after this video, I'm going to go put it on, take my time and put it on correctly and go get a massage with this thing. It's got this little clip in the back so you can clip it like wherever you want. And sometimes I literally just leave this on all day and it helps so much. You can get these replacement self-adhesive electrodes, and when you're done, I'll show you what I do. Just turn it off, take your pads off, and then I just take water. I have a spray bottle somewhere. Just take water, and you can just like run your fingers under the water to do this. You just rub the water in like that. And while they're still wet, you just stick them back onto the plastic and they are ready to use again. You can reuse these a bunch of times until they're not that sticky anymore. And then you can buy the new electrode pads. The last thing that I love for back pain is, I'm actually sitting on it right now, is this acupressure mat. This thing is incredible. Everywhere that I'm sitting on this thing. It has these little spikes that stick up, and I love the feeling of it because if you're feeling any kind of pain, it like takes the pressure off. It also comes with a little pillow, which looks like this, and it has the little spikies that stick out of this. And if I'm just like resting, sitting on the couch, put this right on my neck, it just gives the perfect arch in your neck. And sometimes I even like bring it up higher in my head and just like poke these things into my scalp. It just feels so good. It's like a massage. So I will link all of this down below for you guys if you're interested. And that's it. That's all the supplements that I take. Again, please do your own research, talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.